Hey crypto bros and sisters, welcome back to the channel as always. If you're new to the channel, please accept my invitation to join our crypto fam by hitting the thumbs up and subbing to the channel if you gain any value from the content. We continue with episode 5 of Court Diaries of Sam Bankman, so let's jump right into it. Sam Bankman Fried began testifying at his criminal trial Thursday without jurors present, an unusual move by the judge who wanted to review the comments first to see if they're admissible. Even though jurors weren't there to hear him, Bankman Fried's first performance on the witness stand, delivered while under oath, was remarkable. The prosecutor hammered Sammy Boy about saying that customer agreement specifically said that Alameda Research or FTX could use customer funds at any point. Here is her quote directly to Sam Bankman. "I'd like you to point out where in this agreement it is specified that Alameda is allowed to spend customer funds," she said at one point, getting at the heart of the fraud and conspiracy accusations he faces, that he stole clients' money. She said this after pulling up a payment agent agreement between FTX and Alameda Research, Bankman Fried's trading firm that is accused of spending billions of dollars that belong to FTX customers. Sammy Boy appeared flustered and took minutes to look over the document provided by the prosecutor. Sam ultimately stated that he didn't know what he was looking at. "I'm not a lawyer," he said. Anytime the prosecutor asked Sam a question, Sammy Boy looked to the ceiling, responding with lengthy answers and verbiage like probably, I think, I don't recall. Prosecutors also pressed Sam about having conversations deleted using an app that erases all evidence when discussing business between defendants and employees of FTX and Alameda Research. According to Sammy Boy, his Attorney General counsel was an architect of policy that led him to automatically delete things in Signal, a messaging app FTX used internally for communication. Sammy Boy also said his lawyers were behind FTX terms of service and his Bankman agreement with Alameda Research. Both subjects are core to prosecutors' case against him. Prosecutors continued their onslaught with questioning. Sam's answers became longer and incoherent. The judge decided to cut the day short and informed the jury, who wasn't present during the cross-examination, guys, that they had the rest of the day off, which isn't normal protocol, the judge admitted. The judge informed the jury that they were in the final run of the trial and would continue the trial on Friday. I believe the judge cut it short because he saw Sam struggling mentally. Don't forget, guys, that Sam's lawyers informed the judge that Sam is on ADHD medication before Sam would take the stand. That's the only thing I could come up with why the judge cut the Thursday's trial short. The infamous Sam Bankman Fried would return to the stand Friday. He was mainly asked questions from his own defense team. I'm sure they prepped Sammy Boy the best they could to look good in front of the jury this time. However, his defense team did ask him some odd questions, guys, like why does your hair look like that? Or why do you wear t-shirt and shorts? I mean, really, guys? We don't really care about that crap. If you must know the answer to those questions, he basically said he was lazy and too busy, which makes no sense on face value. We call that an oxymoron, Sammy Boy. He also stated that he never intended to be the face of FTX. His lawyers then jumped right into what was Sam and Caroline's Allison's business relationship. Sammy Boy under oath said that Allison was a competent manager and trader who also interfaced with developers, but he also alluded to what he saw and some blind spots such as not being adept at risk management and hedging, which is one of not the most important position at a brokerage company, guys. As for their personal relationship, Sam said he didn't have the time or the energy to put in what he believes Caroline Allison wanted from the relationship, guys, telling the court she wanted more from it than I was willing to give. Damn, basically saying that all he wanted was to bust Allison's cheeks and didn't want a relationship. Ouch. Sam lawyers asked Sam if he knew what was going on at Alameda Research. Sam said he didn't. He left most of the responsibility to Allison and her employees. Sam said that he had no clue of a back door. This back door allowed Alameda Research to transfer customer assets from FTX to Alameda. Sam also stated that he believed that there was an 80% chance that FTX would fail, but he thought the risk was worth it. Sammy Boy and Gary Wang started FTX in 2019, guys. There was already a dozen of crypto exchanges out there. However, Sam said Friday that he felt their design philosophies were clunky and didn't make a lot of sense. Get this, guys, Sam admits on stand that he didn't even know how cryptocurrency worked and that his ultimate plan was to get big enough to where he would have ultimately sold FTX to Binance. Why would he admit this on stand? Proves he's an idiot. As a juror, I would think that this guy had no clue what he was doing, which would be okay if he wasn't responsible for billions of customer funds. No one in their right mind would believe anything Sam Bankman said in his last 2 days of testimony. He spent customers' hard-earned money and gave it to celebrities, donated to political parties, bought luxury items, and had countless swinger parties. You know how to throw that in there, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed episode 5 of Sam Bankman Court Diaries. I will continue the series until the trial concludes, guys. Please do your crypto bro out a solid by hitting the thumbs up and subbing to the channel if you haven't already. Until next time.